am going to pick gray matter.
Not again! Why does this always happen?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Pocket Watch. Today we're playing the Ben10 match game.
What we have to do is we have to match the character on the watch to the character on the wheel.
If we do, we get a point.
The first person to 3 points wins.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick forearms.
Oh!
Yeah, I got 1 point.
All right, so now it's my turn, and I am going for a heat blast. No! No! I lost the turn.
I'm gonna do stink fly. I get 1 more turn since Brandon lost his turn. I'm just gonna go for the one that I'm still on. No.
So it's my turn now, and I'm gonna pick accelerate. Aw, man, I almost got him.
I'm gonna choose forearms again. Oh, again.
So now it's my turn, and I'm gonna pick upgrade. No! I was by your hair again.
Heat blast. There.
Right.
No! Yeah, I got a point. That's 2 points for me.
Oh, I am going to pick gray matter. All right. Spin it. Gray matter. Not again! Why does this always happen?
I'm doing wild lines.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
No!
Yes! It's my turn, and I am going for diamond head. Catch him. Spin it again. No, not again.
Yes!
Ew. So this is taking longer than we thought, so we're gonna do a lightning round. First one who gets heat blast gets a point.
Let's rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, okay, he goes first.
Aw, man.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe,